Hi, so good morning, everybody. Now, I am going to start a new mechanism to develop the concept, the conceptual clarity by using the WhatsApp classes, right? So, I will start from the first chapter that belongs to our country, that is nationalism in India, isn't it? So just try to understand, my dear students, nationalism in India. You must understand that what does nationalism means? What does nationalism means? ये नेशनलिज्म का मतलब क्या होता है? नेशनलिज्म मीन्स द पैट्रियोटिक फीलिंग टुवार्ड्स द नेशन. देशभक्ति की भावना ही नेशनलिज्म है, राष्ट्रीयता है, राष्ट्रवाद है. ठीक है, तो इस चैप्टर में हम लोग पढ़ेंगे कि भारत में जो है ये नेशनलिज्म कहाँ से आया, राइट. हाउ द कंसेप्ट ऑफ नेशनलिज्म दैट emerged in our country, isn't it? The concept of nationalism that emerged in France and in different European country, that is totally different from our country, isn't it? And you all have gone through the study of French Revolution, in which you have studied about that how French people they got freedom from the kingship, the king rules, isn't it? So here I will try to clarify that in our country, you can see here that in India, as in many other colonies, the growth of modern nationalism is intimately connected to the anti-colonial movement. So in our country, the main cause for the growth of nationalism was anti-colonial movement. This one, anti-colonial movement, isn't it? What do you mean by colonial? ये anti-colonial movement क्या है? The Britishers they have established their colony in our countries, isn't it? That is why we call it as colonies. So we have started, the freedom fighter of India, they have started the movement in against of the colonies, isn't it? That was established by the British government, British in our country, isn't it? That was called as anti-colonial movement. Okay, and we finally got the independence from that colony, isn't it? So in our country, the main reason of the nationalism was the anti-colonial movement. People began discovering their unity in the process of their struggle with colonialism, isn't it? The sense of being oppressed under colonialism, isn't it, provided a shared bond that tied many different groups together. What does it mean? It means whatever the oppressive attitudes were going on or performed by the Britishers to suppress the Indians, isn't it? That's why that suppression attitude become a shared bonding for we Indian people, है ना. इसका मतलब ये हुआ बाबू कि उस समय जब ब्रिटेन के लोग जब हमारे ऊपर राज कर रहे थे तो हम लोगों को क्या है, हम लोगों का बहुत ही ज़्यादा शोषण किया जा रहा था, एक्सप्लॉयटेशन बहुत ही ज़्यादा किया जा रहा था. ठीक है, तो जो भी एक्सप्लॉयटेटिव ग्रुप्स थे, एक लोगों के बीच में एक शेयर बॉन्ड बन गया, एक टाई बॉन्ड बन गया, लोगों के बीच में एक बंधन बन गया, because they were belonging to the same categories, and they started the different movements in against of the British colony. But each class and group felt the effect of colonialism differently. Of course, जितने क्लास जितने वर्ग के लोग थे हमारे देश में, उन लोगों के लिए जो है कि कॉलोनियलिज्म और जो कॉलोनियल पॉलिसी था, उस पॉलिसी के लोगों ने डिफरेंट रूप में उसे समझा, ठीक है, डिफरेंटली उन्होंने लिया। देयर एक्सपीरियंसेस वेयर वैरिड एंड देयर नोशन ऑफ फ्रीडम वेयर नॉट ऑलवेज द सेम। ऑफ कोर्स एक्सपीरियंस अलग अलग इंडिविजुअल डिफरेंस था एट दैट टाइम, दैट्स वाई देयर थिंकिंग टुवर्ड द colonial experience was total different, and they also tackle differently. Okay, so for today this much is, I think, enough, right? Thank you. And sorry, final